In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new product to your GoDaddy website store step by step so you can get your item listed fast and start selling without confusion. Whether you're adding your first product or updating an existing store, this process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and online store tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website builder. Once you're inside your website dashboard, look for the top navigation bar. From there, click on Store. This is where all of your store management tools are located, including products, orders, and store settings. After clicking Store, select Add Product. If you don't see that exact option right away, look for Products and then click Add or Add Product. GoDaddy may label it slightly differently depending on your layout, but you're looking for the option that lets you create a new product listing. Once the product editor opens, the next step is to upload your product images. It's always best to use square images because they display more cleanly across your store and look better on mobile devices too. If you have product video available, you can add that as well to make your listing more engaging. After that, start filling out the product details carefully. Add a clear title for your product so customers know exactly what you're selling. Then write a description that explains the item, highlights the features, and helps buyers understand the value. Try to keep it simple, accurate, and persuasive. Next, move on to pricing. Enter the price of the product and make sure it matches what you want customers to see on your store. If your product has discounts, variations, or special options, you can review those settings as well, depending on how your store is set up. Take a few moments to double check everything before saving. Make sure the images look good, the description is complete, and the price is correct. Once everything is ready, click Save. That will store your new product inside your GoDaddy website store. After saving, you're almost done. The final step is to publish your website so the product goes live and becomes visible to visitors. If your site is already published, you may just need to republish or update the site for your changes to appear online. And that's it. You've now added a new product to your GoDaddy website store. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy tutorials, website builder tips, or e-commerce how-to videos in the future.